Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. A revival in Japan, like many other economies, has been heavily by the Ukraine war and surging price of accommodation, even its rising consumption. Consumption and capital expenditure will continue to drive growth in July until September, but momentum may not be that strong as rising inflation is cooling household spending, said Atoshi Takade, chief economist at Itochu Economic Research Institute. While domestic demand may continue to expand, falling export could put a brake on Japan's recovery, he said. Indeed, Japan's outlook has been clouded by a resurgence in COVID infections, slowing global growth, supply constraints, and rising raw material prices that are boosting household living costs. The world's third largest economy expanded and annualized 2% in April until June, government data showed, marking the third strange quarter of increase but falling short of median market forecast for a 2% gain. It followed a revised 1% rise in gross domestic product (GDP) in January until March when surging COVID cases hurt spending. The growth was driven largely by a 1% gain in private consumption as restaurants and hotels saw demand record thanks to the lifting of pandemic-related curbs, capital expenditure. Another key driver of April until June growth in cash 5% from the previous quarter, exceeding a median market forecast for a 9%. Expansion the data showed, but the rise in recon quarter consumption was smaller than marketing forecast for a 1% increase, casting double on whether the rebound in household spending will have less external risks. Some analysts say a resurgence in COVID infection and recent price hikes for a wide range of daily goods could discourage households from splurging on leisure and dine-outs. Wage earners' remuneration during April until June, adjusted by inflation, fell 5% from the previous quarter, a driver from then a 0% fell in January until March in a sick rising living costs were already hurting household income, heightening fears of a global slowdown driven in part by a wave of monetary tightening by major central banks have also darkened prospect for a sustained recovery in Japan's economy. While domestic demand added 0% point to April until June, GDP external demand neither added to nor have upfront growth in a sign of waning support from the on strong export sector. Looking ahead, there's downside risk to domestic demand due to a reminder spike in COVID cases. External risks are also swayed to the downside on heightening recession fears in the United States and Europe, said to show an economy at the US securities. Okay, I think that's from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.